Thanks for clicking our link here today at Cricks Nambour. Today we've got our 2014 VF SV6 featuring a Alloytech V6 in the Sting Red. Now we've got the grey wheels on it, wrapped in a beautiful Potenza tyre. This vehicle is a immaculate looking car with a large boot. I'll take you inside the vehicle and it won't disappoint, very far from actually. We've only done 24,000 Ks, as you would expect. Front seat is perfect. Steering wheel, perfect. The back seat doesn't even look satin. It's hard to believe such a gem exists, but down at Cricks Nambour we only buy the quality cars. This vehicle also comes with books and a full service history. All stamped, all up to date, but obviously with such a low Ks at 24,000, it's hard to see. Now this vehicle also comes with and features, as you may already know, electronic handbrake, park sensors, traction control, dual zone climate control, all your screen and things here. Now this also features the cruise control on the steering wheel, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel to use it. Much the same as the Bluetooth and the volume here as well. Take you around the back of the vehicle. This Sting Red really does make it stand out. What a beautiful colour. Now this is down at Cricks Nambour. We're located at 952 Connection Road, Nambour. And myself and a few of the other guys are here 6 days a week. And I'm more than happy to help you with any questions that you may have about any of our vehicles. But pop in today and take our VF 2014 model SV6 for a drive today.